Scarves can be wrapped around. They can dangle.
Good night, Uncle Aiden. Jinx. Make a silly face. Yes, there it is. Okay, perfect. These wreaths are amazing. Your fair's gonna be.
They can.
We're gonna make so much money. I mean, too generous.
Be tied. And I'm going to be eliminating my scarves. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of them, I believe. Maybe 8. So I will be eliminating them. But scarves would make a great Christmas gift for ones you love, your significant others, nieces, nephews, kids, different things like that. So, will you be back home for me to give it to you? Are you kidding? We wouldn't miss Christmas at the farm for anything. You know, I just wanted to get on here and talk about scarves for a minute because I will be eliminating them. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.